Hey guys, I've got some good news and some even better news, and this is regarding the Black Ops 4 beta. It had been released last weekend for PS4, and this weekend it was released on all platforms, including PC, and it came out on battle.net. And of course, as it goes with COD, everybody that likes to data mine and dig into the code, this was their opportunity. This has made some community members a little bit nervous because for the Black Ops 3 beta, there was a lot of Easter eggs that were exposed in that coding, and data miners were actually able to get it. So a lot of people have been waiting to see what's going to happen with the BO4 beta when it comes out on PC. Well, the good news is no Easter egg steps have been exposed or found from what I know. There's been nothing posted on Reddit, and the people that I know that are in the know have not seen anything. So that is really great news for the community, and hopefully it will stay that way when it releases in October on PC as well. Although the community did not find Easter egg steps, they did find some other really interesting things, and I had made a video about this like last week or the week before, and I just wanted to follow up with you guys and let you know that yes, it was found. One of the community members by the name of Lime Tiger had posted on his Twitter that he had found 5 maps, and 4 of them are maps that we've heard about and have been announced, but the 5th one, we don't know what it is. I'm not going to be showing the names on screen here in this video. You can see I've got them blurred out, but the 5th map seems to be either DLC 1 or it's going to be possibly a part of that new Zombies Rush mode that Jason talked about at the BO4 reveal. In addition to these maps, he also found some graphic files that he's posted on his Twitter. I'm not going to be showing here. If you guys want to check it out, you can see what his Twitter here is on screen. The graphic files weren't too telling, and it's hard to tell if they're from BO3 or for BO4. I know one of them is, but again, it's not showing anything too crazy or no major leaks with the images. Someone did find a really nice graphic of the Zeus statue, and you can see his shield and everything really clearly. It's really awesome, but I'm not going to be showing it in this video. If you guys want to check it out, it's probably on Reddit or somewhere. In addition to the map names and the graphic files, people on Reddit had posted that they found a lot of sound files, and the sound files were extremely telling. A Reddit user by the name of Jerry Gaming posted saying, "So while looking through the front end sound of BO4, I found the following sounds." In the sound files, he found a lot of features that we're going to have access to, and I'm not going to be going over all of those. I don't want to ruin everything because a lot of people probably want to wait until this comes out, but there's one thing I will talk about. Amongst all of these sound files that he found the complete list of perks that we're going to have for Black Ops 4 Zombies. And if you can see the comments there, you can kind of see what I'm getting at as to what I'm going to be talking about. The first comment is perk slider, PhD slider. It's finally coming back to us. Here's the image that he put in this post, and I'm going to blur everything out except for what you see there is perk slider. Now, I didn't know if I wanted to make this video, but everybody and their dog has messaged me about this. People are sending me this list left and right. It's all over Twitter, Reddit, so I figured you guys probably had seen this already, and I just wanted to go over it. But as you can guess, yeah, it looks like BO4 Zombies, we're going to have a PhD slider. This request for some type of substitute for PhD flopper has been around since 2015. There have been several community members and YouTube members make posts on Reddit and COD Zombies forum asking for this perk. It started back in May 2015. They said, hey, we're not going to have PhD flopper anymore because we're going to be sliding in BO3. How about PhD slider? That would be a great substitute. And then they go in talking about all the ways that it would work. Here's another post on that forum asking for the same thing that same year, and even on Reddit. And there are multiple posts about this. I'm just giving you guys a few examples and showing you that Treyarch has been watching the community and listening to see what we want. There's even a great video that Chucky made where he had a wish list of stuff he wanted to see, and he wanted PhD slider, and he talked all about how it would work. So yeah, absolutely, Treyarch has seen this information. Again, I've made a video talking all about this and how it was a pretty good prediction based on them trying to fulfill our wishes and make it make sense with PhD flopper and the new sliding mechanic. They did implement the slaughter slider gobblegum, and I'm showing that on screen here. So this is a possibility of what this PhD slider perk could possibly be like. So I know this is going to make a lot of people really happy, and I am personally really happy that we're going to have splash damage protection again. Hopefully it will have that feature. Most likely it will. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.